Tired of wobbly lines in your Word documents? Let's fix that instantly with keyboard shortcuts. First, to create a perfect horizontal line, simply press the hyphen key 3 times in a row, so that's 1, 2, 3 hyphens, then hit your enter key. See, instant, perfectly straight horizontal line. This is fantastic for dividing sections or creating simple dividers. Now, for a slightly thicker horizontal line, you'll use the underscore character. Press the underscore key 3 times while euro 1, 2, 3 underscores while euro and then press enter. This gives you a more prominent line. It's great for headings or when you need a stronger visual separation. Want an even thicker, bolder line? This time, we'll use the equals sign type. 3 equals signs consecutively while euro 1, 2, 3 equals signs while euro and then press enter. And there you have it, a bold doubling rule. It really adds a professional touch for important sections. Finally, for a decorative wavy line, use the tilde character. Type 3 tildes while euro 1, 2, 3 tildes while euro and press enter. This adds a touch of flair, perfect for less formal documents or creative layouts. Mastering these simple shortcuts will have you creating neat, professional documents in no time. And remember, it's all about speed and precision.